वो पुराने दिन, आशिकाने दिन, उसकी नमी में भीगे वो पुराने दिन।
Well, lovely chatting with you again. I think I've been consistently speaking to you over the lockdown क्योंकि आपने काम इतना किया lockdown में. Started on Mystery Serial, Bhosle, your rap, and now this. तो अब फिलहाल आप हो कहाँ?
अब मुंबई, यहाँ शूटिंग चल रही है, तो मैं अभी यहीं पे हूँ। अभी आज ब्रेक था, तो आज आप लोगों से बातचीत करने का भी मौका मिला।
So, Suraj pe Mangal Bhari. Now, I actually want to know what is it that one thing that Manoj Bajpayee cannot do? You have rapped, you have danced. Of course, we know the kind of characters you have played. अब ऐसा क्या बचा है? Which is that one thing you can't do? तब तो कर लिया।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी तो जो इस साल जो फिल्में साइन की है मैंने, और जो बैक टू बैक शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं अगले 1 साल तक, जो काम आएंगे, होपफुली I'll be able to do justice to each and every one. But those scripts are mind blowing. आप जब वो देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि ये सब कुछ नहीं था। होपफुली वो सारी चीजें जो हैं, बाकी सारी चीजों को भूलने पे मजबूर करेंगे। This is what I hope and pray.
You know, a career spanning 25 years, it's just amazing the kind of work you've done. Is this one phase that you're enjoying the most as an actor, as a creative person?
Yes, I mean, this was always believed to be a utopia, for naysayers, when we were starting out, and when we were saying no to each and every project which was coming our way, and chose to sit at home and wait for the right thing to happen. It took us long years for me especially to reach here. And when now work is in abundance, and because of the date problem, certain work, some work you can't do. So this is a great situation to be in for any actor. And I see so many great talents emerging, doing such great stuff on OTT, and learning from them, looking at their choices, looking at their clarity and approach. It's mind-boggling. So now you have a different generation to look at and to be inspired with, be inspired by. Sorry.
और सूरज पे मंगल भारी, आपकी जिंदगी में ऐसा कौन सा मौका था जो आपको लगा कि सूरज पे मंगल सच में भारी लग रहा है मुझे?
मेरे जीवन में तो बहुत सारे भारी मौके आए हैं। I always tell people, don't even wish to be in my shoes, because this shoe is all tattered and and घिसाउड so much कि ज्यादातर भारी रहे हैं, बहुत कम ही ऐसा। सूरज का मेल जो है चंद्रमा के साथ में बहुत कम रहा है, सूरज का मेल मंगल के साथ बहुत ज्यादा रहा है।
So, but in your shoes, anybody would want to be in your shoes, because they say now your experience and the journey says it all at the end of it. And you've lived to tell the tale.
Yeah. I mean, yes. If you look at it that way, yes. Today I'm a very rich guy in terms of experience of life and people. I can write actually 6 books. People write 1 biopic. I can, a biography. I can write, 6 biographies. So much one has gone through. So much interactions one has had. So many thousands of people that one has met and made friends with, and life is still going on. And right now I feel that, I'm enjoying working so much, because there is no extra, clutter here in the head. You're just working for the happiness. That's it. You are working because you just love to act. There is nothing else attached to it. So I'm enjoying it so much. Actually, people look at me on the set and they ask me, "Sir, आप मुस्कुराते रहते हो." I mean, I think it's the bliss after so many years.
True, totally, and so well deserved. सर फिर किताब लिख रहे हो, सबने किताबें लिखनी शुरू करती हैं।
I don't know. मुझे बैठ करके लिखना जो है एक तो यही
गोस्ट
काम
राइटिंग
कर
मैं आपकी राइटर बन जाती हूँ, आप बस नरेट करो, स्टोरी मैं लिखती रहूंगी।
बाप रे बाप, उसके लिए बहुत वाइन पीनी पड़ेगी तो
I know Litti Choka. I'll take you up on that
लिट्टी चोखा,
someday.
वाइन एंड लिट्टी चोखा, oh yes.
True. So, but talking about the movie, sir, The Master of Disguise, what was it about this particular film that made you say yes? And you've got, a young talent like Fatima, and then you have Diljit Dosanjh, who is also a very well-known talent, singer and
Yeah,
actor. So, what was it like? What were your reasons to say yes to this?
with Fatima, it's amazing. I mean, look at this generation. I mean, they put in so much. They want to do well from the word go, and they leave no stone unturned. I mean, with Fatima, she was calling a Marathi language teacher to her home. When she was on the set, she was all ready with her walk and talk like a Marathi mulgi. And we may have gone wrong here and there in our sur, but she was just right there on spot, and not taking any moment for granted on the set, uh, always trying to learn and always trying to work in an in a happy atmosphere. If she was looking at any situation where she thought that this is a negativity there, then she used to walk away from there just to be in that state. So and she's very hardworking. She's very, very hardworking, and she's very focused. This used to mesmerize me quite a lot about her. I mean, when I used to look at her, I used to think that how could this girl do wrestling, and that too like a pro in Dangal, you know. And then she told me what all they have gone through to prepare for that role. And the same energy and focus she has got into this film, but not wrestling, definitely not. But yes, for this role. So there's a lot to learn, Pooja, if you want to learn from people. And I learned from these guys. I learned so much from Fatima. She's so grounded, very simple, middle class girl. The ambitions are not too far fetched. She just wants to do good work. That's it.
And people learn from you, sir. आपकी कहानियां 3 बार in NSD से rejection, sitting, waiting for projects to come. You have been a textbook for everybody how to survive on survival. So I mean, itna bhi wo, let's not take away from you.
And Daljit, Daljit ना बहुत बदमाश एक्टर है. अगर उसके साथ आप prepared नहीं रहोगे ना, तो आपको ना वो कुचल देगा. वो because आप एक तरीके से सीन को देख रहे हो, डायरेक्टर एक तरीके से सीन को देखता है या कैरेक्टर को देखता है. Daljit comes up with a very revolutionary idea about the situation and the character. So you really have to be ready with him, to adjust with his interpretation. And that interpretation is something that will never strike you in your dream, Wow. So all in all, I had loads of fun and learning, working with these guys.
And we'll see you as a master of disguise, kabhi ladki, kabhi, and 4 hours of makeup. Like, this was one of the first. So was this character challenging for you at any level, or was it a breeze?
One has prepared the way I prepare for other films, definitely. But this was more of a situational comedy zone than anything else. And getting ready for those characters was very tedious. I mean, 5 hours you are just sitting there and trying not to drink water so that you don't go to the loo and don't disturb the flow. And 5 hours for one, which is which is part of the song, and that song has become super hit. When people loved the song, the first thing which came to my mind, okay, यार, चलो इतना जो तब मुझे तंग हुआ था मैं वो जो तैयार होने के लिए कम से कम वो थोड़ा सा that kind of paid off. I was so tired and exhausted just sitting there.
Rockstar Bajpayee, you know that, na? Rap bhi kar liya, dance bhi kar liya. I mean, like, finally everybody's waking up to the other aspects of your talent.
No, but I enjoyed myself, to tell you very honestly. To be on the set and following choreographers 1, 2, 3 was quite a fun, for a change. I just enjoyed myself. Imagine.
Manoj, sir, another thing you very interestingly had made a mention that the warriors keep changing, the battles remain the same. But do you see somewhere the balance coming in now with no theatrical release? Everything is balanced out with OTT now, box office now, wo earnings ka kharcha, that locha. Do you, and also with people recognizing talent, do you feel things
Right.
will change, or do you feel the battles will remain the same?
OTT has changed the dynamics of it, definitely. On OTT, whether you are a superstar or you are a newcomer, you are standing on the same platform. Okay, you are equal. So you are as good as the project. You are as good as the director. So and if you're good, show it to people. It's that kind of a democratic platform. So there's nobody is going to hype you up. Nobody is going to give you a second look just because you are part of a blockbuster. So that way is quite a leveler. It's a liberating platform, OTT. And look at the talent it has given in this lockdown. I mean, it's mesmerizing. I mean, so many shows, so many web films, and so many great talents suddenly emerged, which I doubt have gotten any kind of a chance in the films. You know, they would have been wasted. They would have been lost somewhere in the oblivion. But OTT has made them a household name. Okay, and all of you guys are talking about their performances or their directorial ability or their editing
Earlier
ability
didn't
or
happen with the media. They were ignored by the media earlier.
Yes, this is what I'm saying. So it's a great situation. But as far as the theaters are concerned, theaters have opened. They will take time to come back to their normal self. But when they come back to their normal self, I know one thing for sure, that the industry will come back to it, or the theater owners or the distributors will come back to it with certain amount of learning. Okay, and I'm very sure about it. Somebody said that if they don't come out with learning, then what? I said, if they don't come out with learning, nobody is going to be damaged but them. you know because here is OTT, which has become an individual entity, and people have gotten so used to it, and they start looking forward to any kind of a new show which is going to be streaming. So yeah, I mean, one has to learn and pull up our socks. That's it.
Thank you so much. Last सवाल ये पूछना चाहूंगी. I spoke to your friend Saurabh Shukla, who said struggle was fun. We were all together. Success मिलती है तो हम lonely हो जाते हैं. What would you say now looking back?
He said it very rightly. He's damn right about it. I mean, when we were doing our part of struggle, we were all together, coming back to one room and drinking with each other, laughing with each other, fighting with each other, loving each other, crying when somebody is going through a bad time, or helping that person in bad time. But when you become successful, what happens that, suddenly you have a world of your own self, because now you can afford to get married. Now you can afford to have your own house. And once that world is created, the friends, and all of them have their own world then, different from each other, away from each other. That becomes very difficult for all of these guys to come back to the same platform. That's the sad part of life that Saurabh is talking about. That's the sad part of life. And इसी में पीयूष मिश्रा ने बहुत अच्छा गाना लिखा है, वो पुराने दिन आशिकाने दिन ओसिकी नमी में भीगे वो पुराने दिन गुजर गए हम किधर गए पीछे मुड़ के देखा जाने सब कि कहाँ गए अकेले हैं खड़े कदम नहीं बढ़े.
It's so true. Thank you so much, Manoj sir. Have you thought of also launching a career as a singer? I think you should. कर दो.
Pooja. I'll have only one audience in the hall, will be you.
बहुत होंगे सर, but thank you so much. Such a pleasure and always a learning and talking to you. Thank you so much.
Right. And always fun. Thank you. Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Pooja.
sir.